At Life Fixture Maritime Law, we know securing justice launches healing for crews hurt at sea. For over 20 years, our unrelenting attorneys have anchored financial security for over 500 maritime clients, winning lost wages and unpaid medical claims. Now we direct stalwart resolve and profound empathy, guiding you towards equitable remedies too. Partnership powers progress. When accidents strike at sea, maritime crews already burdened by rigorous routines and long stretches away shouldn't shoulder legal complexities too. Our guiding attorneys alleviate weights impeding smooth sailing towards equitable compensation. We anchor justice so you can reorient ahead fully made whole again. For over 20 years and 500 cases advocating seamen, we've seen how lost wages prevent mortgage payments as mounting medical bills deluge families. Let our maritime lawyers wade through turbulent legal waters so you avoid added stress. We vow to secure every remedy you deserve. Successes aiding past mariners taught invaluable lessons now channeled assisting you. Initially daunting legal terms become navigable once explained by knowledgeable partners truly invested in your favorable resolution. We speak plainly about case strategies, realistic expectations, and timelines so you always understand next best steps. Clear communication builds trusting relationships vital for positive case outcomes. Whether by phone or during in-person meetings, ask us anything from medical liability intricacies to safety regulations governing your maritime sector. We provide ongoing education so clients fully participate in proceedings, not remain passive passengers uninformed on key case factors. Beyond explaining legal contours surrounding accidents, we appreciate traumatic implications too: inability to provide, relationships strained by prolonged uncertainty. So, attorneys double as counselors, listening empathetically to understand far-reaching impacts. Holistic insight guides securing every damage remedy imaginable. But before focusing on financial recovery, establishing negligence arguments takes precedence. We work diligently behind the scenes gathering evidence, researching case histories, consulting experts across engineering, nautical sciences, and accident reconstruction. Building forceful claims anchored in proven facts sets the stage for maximum compensation. Sometimes creative lawyering opens avenues towards overdue justice when standard negligence strategies get subverted. Like when the cruise company we recently opposed denied maintenance and cure payments mandated for sick or injured crews by centuries-old maritime laws. But our attorneys discovered the multi-billion-dollar operator headquartered overseas partly to skirt such obligations. Armed with irrefutable damaging revelations, we compelled the cruise line to finally furnish significant maintenance funds and reimburse years of exploited crews' unpaid medical bills. This landmark outcome broadcasts that, despite deep pockets and shrewd avoidance schemes, no corporation stays anchored beyond accountability's reach when facing our unrelenting maritime lawyers. Now countless commercial sailors worldwide benefit from restored rights they were wrongly denied. Past successes steadfastly defending seamen strengthen our resolve advocating you today. So, if worrying about lost income or unpaid medical bills prevents smooth sailing after you were hurt at sea, let us win the remedies alleviating those burdens so you can look ahead. Healing in body, mind, and spirit often flows from financial security, partly restoring stability when other pieces feel scattered. Let our maritime legal team anchor the support system, enabling you to recharge definitive direction. Soon refreshed inspiration displaces past clouds of despair and uncertainty once rewards for damages owed finally get rendered. For more informative and interested videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned.